Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to write a guest blog post that gets published and shared. So here, why guest blogging matters. So here, for your branding growth, so expand your reach. So you need to expand your reach and they call this build authority and traffic, gain credibility, drive target track traffic back to your site, and build high quality backlinks. So here, um, right now is deliver true value. So deliver true value. Guest blogging isn't free expose. It's an exchange. Provide genuine value to the host, blogs, readers to make it a win-win. Step 1. Research and alignment with the host blog. Deeply study the blog audience, tone, and context style to avoid generic pitches that miss the mark. Ensure your purpose topic generally overlaps with their readers' interests and address their specific needs. And then, example, pitching a popular gardening blog, focus on innovative said starting techniques or sustainable urban farming, not unrelated topics like interior design or something like that. Step 2, craft a personal pitch that stands out. So show familiarity, so just a clear idea and catchy subject line. Use a and intriguing subject line that reflects your purpose topic and invites the editor to open. Tailor every email. Avoid mass-produced templates. Personalize each email to the editor to make a strong first impression. Step 3, write high quality actionable content. Focus on editor, not advertorial. Educate and inspire. Don't overly promote yourself on your product. Provide unique insight, fresh data, or practical actionable tips, and readers can apply immediately. Example, a guest post that provides a marketing blog with, as you see, 30% increase in the reader's engagement through data-driven strategy. And step 4 is set clear expectation and foster relationship. Clarify details upfront, discuss edits, backlink, policy, and promotion plans with publish before publications. Then confirm promotion, ensure you know how where your post will be shared. And polite follow up. If you don't hear back within 1 to 2 weeks, send a courteous reminder email. Build lasting bonds. Remember, guest blogging is a long term strategy built on mutual respect and collaboration. Your next guest w- win the audience and grow your brand. So here, guest blogging is a powerful platform. Sharing partnership make it a win-win for everyone involved. So, suggest you guys research deeply, understand your target blog and its audience, and personalize speech, craft unique, compelling proposal, deliver value, write high-quality, actionable content, and nurture connection, build relationship for future opportunities. Start today. Find your ideal blog pitch, smart, and write posts that get noticed. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Please enjoy. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.